Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Simplified channel, where we make learning English fun and easy.
Today, we're talking about something that confuses a lot of English learners.
The difference between simple past and present perfect.
Done, done, done.
But don't worry. We're going to explain it in a fun and simple way.
And at the end, there's a quiz for you, so stick around.
Let's get started.
Lucy, I have a problem. I don't understand the difference between the simple past and the present perfect.
Oh no, not grammar again, Max. What's confusing you?
Everything. For example, I said, I ate sushi. But my teacher said I should say, I have eaten sushi. And I was like, why?
Okay, let's fix this. Simple past is used for a completed action in the past. It's done, finished, over. Present perfect is for actions that happened at some unspecified time before now or are still relevant.
So, if I say, I ate sushi, it means I finished eating it, right?
Yes, maybe yesterday, last week, or when dinosaurs still roamed the earth. But the time is clear.
Think I ate sushi with dinosaurs?
No, Max. Focus. Now, if you say, I have eaten sushi, it means at some point in your life, but we don't say when.
So I can say, I have eaten sushi 3 years ago?
No, you can't use present perfect with specific past time expressions like yesterday, last week, 3 years ago.
Oh, so it's illegal?
Yes, Max. The grammar police will arrest you. Let's test it. Which sentence is correct? 1. I have watched this movie last night. 2. I watched this movie last night.
The first one.
No, you're under arrest.
New. Okay. The second one is correct because last night is a specific time.
Yes, you're learning. Now it's time for a quiz. We'll say 2 sentences and you tell us which one is correct in the comments. A. I have seen that movie last week. B. I saw that movie last week. A. She has visited Paris 3 times. B. She visited Paris 3 times.
Drop your answers below. And if you still don't get it, don't worry, neither do I.
We're gonna need another lesson.